Hello, I am Jonathan from Efficad. Over the past 50 years, wood furniture manufacturing has gone through several major phases that have deeply affected the wood industry. Traditionally, furniture manufacturing was essentially manual, requiring a high level of technical skills and a considerable amount of time. Customers paid a lot of money for their furniture and they waited a long time to get it. Then, with the arrival of raw materials, machine and more industrial techniques, the furniture manufacturing was deeply revolutionized. Furnitures became cheap and very accessible. However, all the furniture produced was identical. Today's customers want a return to unique, sturdy and customizable furniture. But I don't want to pay too much for it. Companies must therefore use their hardware and software tools in a new way, in order to provide their customers with quality services without spending too much time. SWOOD Design software makes it possible. This software was designed in such a way that all the technicality of each company is found as being encapsulated in the software, and makes it possible to design a unique and robust pieces of furniture in a very little time. If you want to know more about what makes SWOOD Design a unique design software, I invite you to read our article that talks about it in detail. Check out the link in the description, and I will see you again in the next video.